Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we're going to learn how to make this twist pop-up card. So here's everything you'll need to make the twist pop-up card. I would pause this portion of the video and take a screenshot so you can refer to it later. But basically this is going to be like sort of the pop-up mechanism. This one is going to be the main piece that you see when the card is opened, and these four little pieces here are going to go right on top over here. This one over here is the card itself. That's going to be the cover page, and this is going to be the background or interior of the card. And this here is a bone folder. I like to use these to fold because it just makes nicer folds. But you can use your fingernail too, it's completely optional. And glue stick or double-sided tape. So now that we have everything, let's get started. So here's the first piece I will be working on. It is the 3x6 cardstock. I'm going to take this and fold it in half horizontally. Take your bone folder. And next you're going to take the entire thing and fold it in half again. Now you want to make sure that the opening is at the bottom, facing you. And then you're going to take this side over here and align it with this center crease. So we are going to fold it diagonally and crease it in. And then do the same thing on this side. So we're going to take this, fold it diagonally, and crease it in. Take the bone folder. Now let's unfold the two flaps. We're going to open up on the right side, like that. And then using the pre-existing creases, we're going to push down. And once you have that, you are going to fold this top flap over. So closing it up like that. Let's do the same thing on this side. So we are going to turn it around using the pre-existing creases, push down, and then fold this top flap to the left. So now you have something that looks like a little house. So we got the triangle here and the two rectangles here. And here is how it looks like from the bottom. So now that the first piece is done, we're going to put that aside and work on our second piece. For this piece here, the 3x7.5, we're going to divide it into 4 equal parts. So we're going to flip it to the side, fold it in half first, unfold, and then fold this side to the center crease. Do the same thing on the left side. Fold it over to the center and crease it in. So now we have this little accordion type situation going on, a little M. Put that aside. Now this is going to be the main cover, the 3.5 by 8 3/4 piece. And for this piece, we're just going to fold it in half. Take the bone folder and unfold. Now I'm going to work on these two pieces that are both the same size. So they are 3.25 by 8.5. For the piece that is going on the inside of the card, you want to fold it so that the pattern is going to be on the inside. And you're going to fold it in half like this. For the piece that is going on the outside, you're going to fold it in the opposite direction so that the pattern is facing the outside. So we're going to flip that around and fold it in half like this. Crease that in. So now that we have everything folded, we are going to work on assembling the card. I'm first going to take these two pieces over here, grab my glue stick, flip it around. I like to put a little X. get around the perimeter. And then we're going to put it right on this piece here. So now we're going to take the pop-up mechanism and we're going to put glue just on this triangle portion right over here, on this side, and also on the other side, right there. And place it right at the center. Make sure you close your card to make sure everything fits. There we go. And then put glue at the top and fold it down again. So now when you open it up, it has this nice pop-up effect. Now let's work on this little zigzag piece. So with this zigzag piece, we are going to grab our 4 little photos or pieces of cardstock. This is completely for decoration purposes. And you're going to grab each one of these, glue them on. I'm going to put this one right over here. If you want to make sure they're perfectly centered, you can use a ruler, but I am too lazy to do that, so I'm just going to eyeball it. Here is the next one. Put that one here. This one. And finally, the last one. Aren't these the cutest cardstock, by the way? I got them from Michael's. And if anybody's interested, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find the exact same ones on Amazon, but I will find similar cardstock and link it below in the video description if you want to buy some fun cardstock for your projects. We are going to reverse the fold here. So this first one on the right is going to fold in. This one is going to fold back. And then this last one is going to fold back. So we have our letter M. Got my marker. So you see how there is a line right here? You're going to put glue just at the top right portion. So not here, just there. And then on this piece, let's have an imaginary line here. We are going to put glue on the lower left hand corner. So upper right and lower left and nowhere else. So I'm going to put some glue on the upper right and also some glue on the lower left. Take this piece here and you want to align this crease, so where the fold is, and you want to put it right where this kind of triangle ends. So see how there is a line here, right there? You want to align this corner. And then here's a line here. You want to align it at this corner. So this is going to align to that corner and then fold it over. And then the left side is going to align to that corner right there and then flatten everything. So from the side, it is sticking out. So close it right away before the glue has a chance to dry. You might want to wiggle it a little bit. Make sure everything fits together. You don't want to wait until the glue is dry to do this because then, you know, you're going to have to tear it apart. But here we go. I mean, how cool is that, right? So now we are going to look to add the cover. This is going to be the front, and then I'll put that in the back. So look like this. So I am going to open up the card. I probably should have glued this on first, but you know, hindsight is 20/20. You're going to take this, put some glue on it. I'm doing a very sloppy glue job here. Turn that around and then just slip it right on top. Fold it over immediately before the glue has a chance to dry. And now, I love how it says, I'm perfectly flawed. Anyway, so now, this was, by the way, a coincidence. So I didn't even know this was here. So anyway, now when you open your card, you got, ta-da! How fun, right? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun making that twist pop-up card. If you would like to learn more, be sure you check out my other videos. I'll leave a playlist in the video description. I have like hundreds of these things. So yeah, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate that so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!